Hello and welcome to an insider tour of a gorgeous suite here at Sandals Ochi Beach Resort. What are we standing in today? Yes, we are standing in the Oceanview 1-bedroom Poolside Butler Villa Suite. And this, of course, is going to be the room code OV1 here at Sandals Ochi. Hey there, if we haven't had the pleasure to meet before, my name is 𝗏𝗏. I'm the founder and CEO of Reliant Destinations and 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗋luxury.com. It's such a pleasure to have you here by this channel today, Mr TraveLux. On this channel, we dive deep into everything sandals and beaches, and we are the #1 independent sandals and beaches YouTube channel out there, where our goal is to provide you with all the content you need to make the best informed choices that bring memories for a lifetime to come. On this channel, you can find insider suite tours like this one. You can find full resort tours, everything you need to know videos, top ranking videos, and everything in between. And I also like to, of course, mention that my team and I at Reliant Destinations, we offer 100% complimentary concierge services, allowing you to have that hand-by-hand experience, really guiding you into every step of the vacation. I know that sometimes a sandals trip can be complicated. Our goal is to make it easy and simple for you. Best way to do that is to reach out. hello@reliantdestinations.com. Again, that's hello@reliantdestinations.com. Services cost nothing to you, and we always say if you aren't reaching out, you might be missing out. Before we go ahead and jump into this suite tour, I'd like to finally mention that on our website, 𝗏𝗏𝗋𝗋luxury.com, you'll also find a tool on there which allows you to find the best resort for you. It asks you some questions about your personality, about the vibe, the travel style, the budget, and really gives you that ultimate recommendation, allowing you to make sure that you're making the right choice for your vacation. Well, without any further ado, let's go ahead now and jump straight into this tour of the OV1 here at Sandals Ochi. Let's go. So this has been your insider tour of the OV1. Yes, that is the Oceanview 1-bedroom poolside butler villa suite here at Sandals Ochi. Thank you again for spending a few moments with me here on the channel, Mr TraveLux. Please do remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for endless more content about everything sandals and beaches. And of course, if you are thinking to book that next trip to tropical paradise, you know where to reach out. hello@ReliantDestinations.com. Thank you again for your valuable moment, and I hope to see you back here on the channel soon, or perhaps even sometime in the resorts. Take care.